How to manage your privacy on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your privacy on your Amo app. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are here, click on the profile icon up there and click on settings. And now all you need to do is click on privacy. In this option, you can fix and manage all your privacy options, which is last seen, read receipts, who can call me, who can see my avatar, and voice club room, whatever you want. Choose one of them and fix the things you want to manage your privacy and the method, the way you want to manage your privacy on the Amo app. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.